If you are in danger of defaulting on your COVID-19 EIDL, either your business is failing or it's struggling or you just need more time so you can catch up with payments, SBA's policies are the following policies. You ready? Here we go. For those of you who don't want to jump on the forgiveness bandwagon, Linda created this concept. I love this concept.
I did?
Yeah, she did. Have you heard of a pity party?
I have them on a regular basis.
You do? I'm not usually witness to those.
Well, sometimes you're the reason I have them.
Wow, really? Linda said you should have a power party.
A power? Oh, I did say this.
Okay, so I want to recommend a strategy here. First of all, if you are 90 days delinquent on your payments of your COVID-19 EIDL, SBA puts you into what's called a charge-off status, which, by the way, just saying that credit is my area of special expertise, that is the wrong thing to call it, SBA. It should be called delinquent status, but charge-off status. So that's 90 days. And then when it gets to 120 days or 4 months that you're late on your payments, at that point, the SBA says they will send your file to the United States Treasury, ultimately to the IRS for collection activity. And this is freaking everybody out. There's another component of SBA's process with defaulting loans. If you want to get a hardship accommodation, which means you want to reduce your payment to a manageable level, hopefully it's manageable, and you can reduce it by as much as 90% of the required monthly payment, as long as it's a minimum of $25. I know some other YouTubers have called it the 10%. It's not 10%. It can be reduced by as much as 90%. Words mean something here because math is fun.
Words or numbers?
Words and, 90% versus 10%. Those are
numbers.
Those are numbers.
But when we speak their words, use your words about numbers.
Numbers are important here because it's not a 10% reduction. It's a 90%, which means you may reduce your loan payment by only 25% to what's affordable. In order to be approved for that hardship accommodation, the SBA says you have to be current on the loan. Wait,